What's up, YouTube family? Okay, so what we have here are my stuffed Caribbean tacos. If you like just a variety of food all mixed together with just some of everything going on, you will love this recipe. So there will be some quick snippets and shots of the ingredients and the outcomes of what was made. But at the bottom in the description box, the full detailed description of the ingredients, the measurements, what was put in what, will be in full detail. It'll give a whole breakdown. So to the tacos, we do have some fruit and peppers, peaches, mango, and peppers, green peppers. We do have a coleslaw that'll go into these too. So that's just a rough chop of some cabbage and carrots. And before it showed the coleslaw, there was a bowl mixed, and that is the tartar sauce, and that has capers, dill, relish, just a whole bunch of goodness. And there's the outcome of the coleslaw. So then when we fry up the fish, we will add in some butter and some vegetable oil or whatever oil you want. Season your fish up with salt, pepper, and adobo. Rub the seasoning in to mix it and let it stick to the fish. Let that oil and butter spread on the pan. Make sure it's hot. Do a little test because we want to sizzle. All right, so this is just a little quick little, way to get around steaming the tortillas, because when you steam them, they're hot, soft. What I did was I just wet them lightly with some water, just rub it on the back. In between each tortilla, just put a paper towel in there and warm it. As long as they're a little damp with some water, that'll lock in that moisture and keep them soft. So to the fish here, I'm adding in some pineapple juice. Give the fish a rough chop and let it cook in with the peppers and the fruits. The red peppers is a chipotle pepper that I had, and that's just a half of one. Then add in some minced garlic. Then you can load your tacos. There's the filling. It's so colorful and delicious. And we'll load it with some black beans. Those were left over as well. I seasoned the beans with cumin, salt, pepper, and paprika. There is the tartar sauce. Chopped avocado. Some salsa. Sharp cheddar cheese. What is a taco without cheese? It's not. Then that good old slaw. And then the last thing we'll put on there is some fresh chopped cilantro. Once again, if you want to follow this recipe, just check below in the description box. It'll break everything down to the T, measurements, ingredients. And I do appreciate you so much for tuning into this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Much love. Thank you so much. Enjoy this taco. Bye.